coaching thought for the day. I think this is going to be my final one about books, at least for a little while. I want to share with you something that I do. The English department in my building, the teachers have things on their doors about what they are currently reading, and it's just part of a culture of literacy and, you know, conversation starters with teachers, with students, that sort of thing. So here's what I've done with my office door. I've got a little window down here, so I like to, down here in the bottom, you can see whatever books I'm currently reading. And I will say I have not updated this in about a month and a half, but, and at some point I just decided, yeah, I'm just not going to worry about that for the rest of this year. But normally I keep up with this pretty well. And then I just move all my previously read book covers up to the top. And it seems like it might also be worth sharing that to get my book covers, I just have a Google slide presentation, and I made a little template, and then I just copy covers from Google image searches of my book covers and paste them in, and then cut them out and hang them up.